Good morning, everyone. We are the group 3, and our topic is about the prostate cancer. And we talk about what is prostate. This is our prostate. It's a small walnut under our male gland. It's just a very small stem like a walnut. This is a prostate. Prostate is below the bladder. The hollow organ where urine is absorbed and in front of the rectum. The last part of the intestine, just behind the prostate gland called tiny vesicles, and which makes most of the fluid for semen. The urethra, which is the tube that carries urine and semen out of the body into the penis, goes through the center of the prostate. And we talk about what is prostate cancer. What is prostate cancer? Prostate cancer begins when cells in the prostate gland start to grow out of control. Almost all prostate cancer are adenocarcinomas. These cancers develop from the gland cells in the prostate. Other types of cancer that start in the prostate are small cell carcinoma or small cell neuroendocrine carcinoma and other neuroendocrine tumors, including large cell carcinoma, transitional cell carcinoma, and sarcomas. And what is the main function of our prostate? The prostate's main function is to reproductive. It produces fluid component of semen, which is nourished and protects the male sperms. Yeah, this is our normal prostate, which is very happy. And this is our prostate that are cancer. And this is the photo of our prostate that has a cancerous tumor. This is the bladder, the semivesicles, and this is the prostate, and the urethra, which is connected to the penis. And this is the cancerous tumor. And this is cause and the rest of the prostate.
I just talk about risk factors of prostate cancer. Prostate cancer occurs when cells prostate gland are start uncontrollably. The exact reasons why this happens is not always unknown, but factors that may cause as contribute included DNA mutations, hormonal imbalance, chronic inflammations in the prostate, oxidative stress. These are the major factors of having prostate cancer. Aging is 50 above, started at 50 above. Family history, whether you're having a brother, a father, a son with a prostate cancer, doubles your risk. Ethnicity, it begins with African or men have a high risk, but mostly Asian and Hispanic men generally have lower risk. Diet and lifestyle, which is may intake of red meat, high-fat dairy, or consume as fruit, vegetable may increase risk. Obesity linked into progressive prostate cancer. Lack of physical activity can also contribute to risk. Hormonal factors, smoking may increase the risk of prostate cancer, more aggressive form of it. And then the environmental exposure, which is some chemicals, exposure to certain chemicals, are used as, for example, the firefighting or farming or other military, it may cause risk factors of this. What are this is optional, but less proven factors. Vasectomy once throughout to increase the risk, but research is mixed. Sexually transmitted infection or STIs, chronic inflammations, and infections may contribute. And yeah.
And then this is what will happen if we get the prostate cancer.
Hello everyone, I am Nini Wei. I will answer what will happen if you get the prostate cancer. The answer is Prostate cancer can spread to other parts of the body, such as the bones or other organs. When prostate cancer spread is called metastatic prostate cancer, incontinence. Prostate cancer and its treatment can cause leaking of urine, also called urinary incontinence, and erecting dysfunction, which is the difficulty getting or maintaining an erection. Other symptoms are depending on the stage and location of the cancer. A person may experience other symptoms like weight loss, loss of appetite, pain in the back, feet, chest or pelvis, or weakness or numbness in the legs. And others.
And the next is the sign and symptoms. The sign and symptoms of prostate cancer.
Hi, my name is Krishna. My topic is about symptoms and signs. The symptoms are urinary issues, for example, difficulty standing or stopping urination, weak or interrupt urine flow, frequent urination, especially at night, painful urination, and blood in the urine. Number 2, sexual dysfunction, pain during ejaculation, blood in semen. Number 3, pelvic or back pain, which is persistent pain in the lower back, hips or pelvis, discomfort or pain in the rectal area. Number 4, other symptoms, which is fatigue or weakness or swelling in the legs or feet. It is important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other conditions such as prostatic hyperemesis, AHP or prostasis. If